That goofy lady. We're checking out some lavender today, and some hyssop, by the way. Blooms are gone on the hyssop. Excuse the shiny head. I've been in a lot of sun lately. Check this out. So let's see what Chef Beth has to say about this stuff. And before we get to the how to use it, I'm going to show you how to grow it. This stuff's pretty dang easy. We're in 8B, Central Piedmont, North Carolina. So, in the foreground here, that is your lavender. And you can see the bees hitting on it. Hopefully, it's not the best camera in the world. Behind it is hyssop. And you can't really see because their blooms are fading. Maybe right here. There you go. They're also purple, but two different herbs. Hyssop, you know, that's an ancient herb. That's a biblical herb. And this lavender, well, I guess you know what lavender is if you're watching this video. Let's look next door. How to grow this stuff. These blocks are 3 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a foot. That consists of leeks in that bed. There's only 2 blocks here, right? However, they're pretty low, so you're talking, plus the soil doesn't come up right to the top, maybe 4 inches, maybe 4 inches. And really, they like it well drained. I put a sand mix in there years ago, and they're woody. So there's not much to it, really. You just don't want it to get soaking wet. And believe it or not, there's only 2 lavender plants in there. Probably about 4 hyssop. And they all started, you know, small. Anyway, you don't need a whole lot of soil to grow this stuff. That's just a simple little short raised bed. And as you can see, we have plenty of lavender. So let's see what Chef Beth has to say about this stuff. All right, Chef Beth has an opinion on this stuff. She don't care for it, but not really.
Well, no, it's really good, but you have to be very careful. It doesn't take much lavender if you're cooking with it. I would just use just a couple of little, I don't know what you call these, fronds, seeds, lavender. But yeah, you have to be real careful or it's like eating soap. It's really strong. I think we're going to use a lot of this in like satchels for, you know, sock drawers and what have you, a little scented.
It is strong.
We still have a lot left from what we grew last year or 2 years ago.
I think it was 2 years ago we had a good crop.
Yeah, this one's beautiful, but wow.
That's a lot. We could be at the farmer's market with that. I mean, you know, if you grew everything here, just key herbs, you could be selling at a farmer's market because that is a lot of lavender in a little bitty, itty bitty space. Well, that's the show for this Sunday. There's Chef Beth. She don't like to be on the camera. I understand that. I don't like to be on the camera either. Tune in next Sunday, 12 o'clock or later, obviously. Hopefully I'm there this Sunday. Last Sunday I was on the road. I forgot I had a daggone premiere. Sorry about that. We'll see you on the next one. Drop your comments, give her a thumbs up, and sub if you're new. And tell your friends, Sundays, 12 o'clock premieres. If you don't know what that means, it means we can talk live. And they only run 4 to 8 minutes. Tell a friend. And thanks for watching.